Hi there guys, it's Carrie from Tambella Arts, and today we're going to make the letter L, and L is for you look lovely today. Damn straight you do, look at how lovely you look. Okay, so we're going to be using our tracing template for this video from my A to Z of Colourful Quilling, and in the booklet you'll also receive the quilling template, which is the separate next step. But for today's video we're going to be using this one. So place your tracing template down, use your ruler and basically outline your letter. Here we go. Now that we've got our trace, you want to take your cardstock, and because I want the textured side to face up in my design, I'm going to flip this over and have the textured side down, and then we're going to place our trace over the top. And because I've used a corner piece of cardstock, I can actually cheat and use the minimal amount of cardstock here. Grab my ruler and we're going to trace back over our outline just like so. Okay, so that should press your trace onto your cardstock, and then using your scissors we're just going to cut that shape out. There we go, there's our letter L. Right, we're going to start actually creating the outline, the outer edge of our design. So using those quilling strips that you've created from the same cardstock, I'm also going to put my work onto another surface so that I don't get my table dirty. Grab your quilling strips and we're going to start basically outlining our letter. And L is a super easy letter to do, so we're literally going to use two pieces. What I'm doing, I'm scoring the paper without cutting it right through, scoring my cardstock, so that what we can do is then line up that corner with the corner of our L. You could do all the way around with one strip if you wanted to, but I prefer to actually have a couple of strips just because I feel like I've got more control of the design, and you don't have so many, you end up sort of getting bends at your where you're gripping to make your corners, so I prefer just to cut straight strips. There we go. Nice. Alright, I'm going to do this length now. Just bending at that corner there. There we go. Once again, you're wanting that strip to be as close to the edge as you can get it without going over. Here we go, gonna meet, and then we're placing it into place. Here we go. Now don't panic about our little sections where we've got a bit of overhang, because we're going to come back and snip those off a bit later. Okay, so I've left our letter L to dry just for a little minute, and you can see here we've got a couple of sections where we've just got a little bit of overhang. So what you can do is grab your scissors and very carefully just snip those little bits of excess strip away. And then your letter is basically ready for you to start filling it in with colour. There we go, we're ready to go.